Thinking about joining toplocalsingles.com? Hold on, what you're about to learn might change your mind. On the surface, toplocalsingles.com presents itself as a casual, no-judgment dating platform designed for open-minded adults looking for real, pressure-free connections. It boasts simplicity, ease of use, and a clean design, and it's been active since 2021, which might give the impression that it's a stable and legitimate site. But in this video, we dig into what's really going on behind the scenes, and the results are a mixed bag. Yes, it's user-friendly and looks professional, but that's where the positives end for many users. As we investigated further, we uncovered numerous red flags that raise serious concerns about the platform's authenticity. There are widespread complaints about fake profiles, repetitive or scripted messages that feel like bots, and a lack of genuine interaction. A quick search on Reddit or Trustpilot reveals countless negative reviews from people who felt misled or even scammed after signing up. While it's not a total scam and some users do report limited success, the overall experience seems manufactured, and the risk of wasting your time or money is high. If you're thinking about creating an account, this review lays out everything you need to know before making a decision. We're not here to say it's completely fake or fully legit, the truth lies somewhere in between. But after seeing both the surface and the deeper reality, you'll be better prepared to decide if toplocalsingles.com is really worth your time, energy, or attention.